Hello, guys. My name is Desmond, and I welcome you to my lesson for today, where I'll be looking at your mathematics. Obviously, as you can see over there, we'll be doing your past exam paper that was written in September. Very, very much important, ladies and gentlemen, that at all times you pay full attention to all the details. So, ladies and gentlemen, please do allow me to say it is very much important that I say it is very, very much important, because what I'm about to say is massively, 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 massively important, ladies and gentlemen, that I say a day without learning something new, it's a day wasted. By so saying, let's go. Please, 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 please do make sure that by the end of each and every lesson that I conduct, you learn something new. Very, very much important, ladies and gentlemen, over there. So I do welcome our very new learners who are joining us for the very first time. I hope you guys will do enjoy my upcoming lesson. So, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see over there, this is the question paper that we'll be doing in today's lesson, where you guys will have an opportunity to revise what we have done in the past weeks. I'm not sure. Is it everyone who's able to see what's written there on the screen? And remember, guys, remember to control your mic so that it remains muted throughout the lesson. Maria Mbulazi. Just make sure that you control your mic by clicking on the mute button so that whoever speaks in the background, they do not form part of the lesson unintentionally. So, Bantu Bagit, are you all able to see over there? Is it clear for everyone?
Yes.
Sir.
So you're saying on the screen you can be able to clearly see. Is it not blurry?
Clear to me.
It seems to be clear for most of you guys. Okay, that's great. So what I'm going to do is to quickly read through that given statement, and then from there we'll try to do a bit of an interpretation of that diagram. And one thing for sure, go through the questions. Remember, guys, this is a past question paper, but I did take you through an introduction to this type of questions. But before I read, let me just mute the honorable member. Mariam Bulasi, I'm going to mute you on my side. Once you are muted, even if you've got a question, you won't be able to ask a question because you are muted. So just make sure to control your mics, honorable member. Okay, so there you go. Question number 7 says, Thandi is standing at point P. Where's point? Oh, there's point P. Okay. On the ground, and observes 2 poles. Okay. AC and BD. Oh, there's A, there's C down there. Oh, there's B up there, there's C down there. Of different heights. P, C, and D. Where is P? Oh, there is P, there is C, there is D. Are in the same horizontal plane. From P, the angle of inclination to the top of the poles A and B are 23 degrees and 18 degrees respectively. Thandi is 18 meters from the base of pole AC. There is A and there is C. The height of pole BD, there is BD, is 7 meters. Yo. But Hanan here say the margin. So without having to refer back to that statement, I'm actually able to try and make sense out of what is going on over this. So it's more like here is a honorable member Tandi there. Tandi is observing 2 poles. Okay, this is the first pole being what is it? Pole AC. Pole AC. There is another pole being called pole BD. So obviously, we've got a distance from the top of the pole. This is the top of the pole of BD, top of the pole of AB. So Tandi is actually standing at point P. Let's see. Okay, there you go. Standing at point P. So the distance from that point P to the bottom of that pole, this is what they say, it's actually 18 meters and not centimeters. And then from that point P again, from where Tandi is standing, it's unknown. But what we know is that the angle of inclination from that point P to the top of pole BD, it's actually 18 degrees. And then from that P up to there, it is actually 23 that. So can you see the angle between when she's looking at the top of that pole and when she's looking at that pole, this angle is actually 42 degrees. Something very much important. Remember, this is a vertical straight pole. Let me just say it's a vertical pole. So from the ground, it's erected vertically upwards. It therefore forms an angle of 90 degrees to the horizontal or to the surface. Also, this one, it forms a 90 degree over there. I'm just not sure. Okay, before I even continue, let me just remember to say the height of pole BD, it's actually equals to 7 meters. And remember, from the statement, they said the heights of these 2 poles are not the same. So it's either this one, it's a bit longer than that one, or this one is longer. We'll see in case if we do calculations whereby we need to calculate that height. We'll see also what the question says. But I'm not sure. Before I even go deeper, are you guys now able to visualize what is going on over there after I've drawn this diagram? Is it everyone who's now able to visualize? Magazen, are you still there?
Yes, I'm here. I'm just trying to Zoom, but I do not know as yet.
Who was speaking? Was it Jonathan speaking? Jonathan, are we not losing you there?
No, I'm here. It's because of a network. Network is not okay on my side, but I think
Okay, no, I see.
I'm okay.
Okay. Anyone else to also confirm if you guys are able to visualize what's going on over there?
Clear.
Yes, I can.
Hamisa, can you come up again? Just heard the last part which was here.
Oh, I can see and invigilate it, so.
Oh, so you're saying you are now able to visualize what is going on over there, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, 100%. So now, I suppose you guys do allow me to start answering the question. So I'm just going to remove all of these. I got a duster, guys. I'm going to hammer your fingers with this duster in case if you are getting some wrong answers there. Also, for those who will be making some noise, we'll be doing some list of the noise maker. So just be careful, Bantu Bagit. Okay, so now here are the questions. Here are the questions. I'm also going to ask you my questions. Just to check if you guys did understand what we discussed previously. Or maybe before I even start with these questions, you tell me, is there someone who can tell how many triangles are we having over there? Or how many triangles are you able to see?
I can see three.
Three.
triangles.
Okay. It seems like almost all of you guys are able to see 3 triangles. What type of triangles are those? Or what can you say about those triangles? Or what comes to your mind when you see those? Remember, guys, if you want to speak, just mention your name and I will choose from the names brought forward.
Lerato.
First name, Lerato. Second name,
Tumelo.
the Matumza. Another name,
It's Jonathan.
Jonathan, a new name. Okay, Jonathan, go for it. Let's see how far you can go with this one. Remember to unmute your mic, Jonathan. You might be speaking that side, but we're not able to hear.
Oh
Just
yeah. It's just that you talk after some words. Yeah, I think it's because of the network, but I can understand. I can hear you.
okay. Go for it. You can answer my question now.
Okay, with the angles, I can see. I'm not even too sure. I can see an acute angle. I see acute angles.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and what else? Yeah,
Okay.
I think so.
100%. You are correct in saying there are acute angles. So remember, all of those angles, let's say 1, 2, 3, are acute angles because they are between 0 and 90 degrees. Okay. Tumza, I'm just praying that this time around I'll be able to hear you. Go for it. What can you say about what you are seeing over there?
Okay, so now I can only see 2 triangles.
2 triangles. Okay.
Yes, which is triangle ACP and BDP.
And what?
BDP.
B. What is it? B.
D.
Oh, D. D. Okay, that one. Okay. Continue.
And yes, say about the triangles. Triangles has 3 sides. When you say, and like you can use trig ratios or Pythagoras theorem.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. 100%. Thanks very much for that input. I think Lerato, she's going to say something slightly different from what you said. And also, she's going to add on top of that. Lerato in KZN, go for it.
So I did not hear Tumza's answer, but say I see two right-angled triangles, which is ACP and PBD. They are both right-angled triangles, and AB, I have no idea of what type of triangle it is.
But how many triangles are you seeing?
I see three triangles.
Being this and which one?
And APB.
APB. Okay. So what can you say about triangle APB?
I say I have no idea.
No idea. Okay. All right. The three of you, ladies and gentlemen, thanks very much for your input. Let's then try to unpack all that we are seeing over there. So, Bantu Bakit, we've got three triangles. Let's maybe say the first one is ACP. And then another one is, let's say, BPD. This is a triangle. There's another triangle being let's say BAP. So, something common about this one and that one. Remember, these are those triangles having a 90-degree angle there. So these are what we call the right angled triangle. What makes them to be right angled triangle? It's because of that sign. So the moment you know you are dealing with a right angled triangle, what does it mean? It simply means, Bantu Bagit, you can use a sine ratio, cos ratio, or tan ratio. These are what we call the trigonometric ratios. And also, you can use theorem of Pythagoras. You can only use these things only when you are dealing with a right angled triangle. On the other side, ladies and gentlemen, let's say this is just a triangle. I'll try to find the name of that type of a triangle. I just forgot, but I suspect someone knows. But it's fine. Let's say this is just a triangle. The triangle that I'm talking about is that one, P, B, and A. So the question would be, is that a right-angled triangle? And answer to that question is no, it is not. If it is not, it therefore means when solving questions related to that triangle, you can use the following. I'm not sure if you guys remember the sine rule, and again the cosine rule. Also, in case if they've asked for you to calculate an area, you can also use the area rule. If you guys are able to take a screenshot of that, you are welcome to do, but I suspect the rules or the settings in the groups do not allow. I think our manager has updated the settings, but I'll just take that screenshot, then I'll send it in the group. Someone who's not able to write all of that, just remind me to send in the group. So I'm not sure, do you guys now remember what I'm talking about? And are you happy there such that we can now start answering the questions? Because you need to be aware of this. Jonathan, it's unfortunate you missed some of my previous lessons. What Lerato and Timmy are talking about there, It might be based on our previous lessons where we said we have two types of triangles that you need to be aware of. One is the right-angled triangle, and another one, it is just a triangle which does not have that 90-degree sign. So all the triangles having the 90-degree sign, you can only use sine being opposite over adjacent, or cos being adjacent over a hypotenuse. What is sine? Opposite over hypotenuse. Yes, that's what I meant to say. And then cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. Tan is opposite over adjacent. Otherwise, depending on the information given, you can use the theorem of Pythagoras. Remember, the main aim of a triangle is to know all the sides and all the angles, and we make use of these formulas to find those. Also, in this case, if you have a triangle similar to that, and you need to know all the sides and all the angles, if it is not a right angled triangle, then you use the sine rule, the cosine rule, and the area rule. I've done a lesson where I explained all of this. All that you need to do, Jonathan, is to watch that lesson, and then you'll be able to know everything regarding the sine, the cosine, and the area rule. Then you will have a better understanding of all that we'll be doing as we answer the questions. Tabile, I suppose you are happy that side. Did you all get that mini prayer there? Can we now start with our collections, guys? Don't come with coins, name. Sifuna
Yes, sir.
ukuniela manje. Sifuna ukuniela manje. Can we start kneeling, my gents? Bantu bakithi. Emi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 100%. So now, let me try to remove all of this. Let me remove all of these so that I bring the questions. Okay, so let's see. The question says, calculate 7.1, the distance. The distance from Tandy to the to the top of pole AC. In other words, AP. And this question is allocated just 2 marks. It means it's not that much complicated. I'm not sure. Anyone who wants to mention their name and give it a try, honorable members.
Dumela.
Dumza's name. Okay, Dumza, it seems like you're the only one. Go for it. What do we do over there, the Matumze?
Sir, the distance from top AC, right, sir? So, sir, and then we're gonna use that triangle ACP, which is like CP is 18 meter, and we have an angle. So we're gonna use what is it? The trig ratios. So we're gonna use cos, since we have adjacent and we're looking for AP, which is the hypotenuse.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Bom 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 baite inkosi baite inkosi bom 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 baite inkosi baite inkosi Bum 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 bum
19,55.
19,55. Do you guys agree with that? Hey, angimuthembi lo 19,95. You say nay.
19,55.
Oh, 19,55. Is it true, guys? Is he correct?
55.
Hmm? Is this
It is
correct?
correct.
Are you for real? Hey, tematumzini bathi uqinisile ntombo. Bathi uqinisile. Kusho ukuthi singayibhala lapho. Sathi uthole 19 so can you guys see that that one pole AC is actually longer than that one? By so doing, we give you 2 marks. Tumza the tumza. You just got yourself 2 marks, and you might get it from a correct substitution and your final answer. I'm not sure. Is it only me who's happy, or is it everyone together with the Matumza who's happy? Mm? Mm?
Say I'm happy.
Someone says she's happy. Last one to confirm.
Yes.
Okay, 100%. So
I'm also
now,
happy, sir.
let me see. I'm just going to remove all of these, and then from there, let me just try these. And then from there, we move on to the next question, being the last question. I'm just not sure if you guys are going to get this one correct. So the question says the distance between the top of the poles AB, if A angle PB is equals to 42 degrees and PB is equals to 22,65 meters. Sure. They're saying a
Please,
PB
someone
is
has if someone has the previous sum, I was offline net.
I couldn't get that part, but it's fine. So they want you guys to calculate the distance between the top of the poles being, what is it? AB. Sure, they want you to determine the distance from there to there, AB. If A angle PB is equals to 42 degrees, and again PB, there's PB. PB is equals to 22,65 meters. Sure, I'm not sure. Is there anyone who can give it a try? That one. And this question is allocated 4 marks, which means it's not that much complicated. Anyone would like to give it a try?
Rato, Tumelo.
I think it should be Lerato. Lerato, go for it.
And Tumelo. Okay.
Okay, so for this one, I think will you look at triangle APB?
Triangle APB. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Say, and you have 2 sides. and one angle, and that angle is included. That means we'll use the cosine rule since our angle is included, like it's between the two.
So that means you are saying because we have let's see, this is what we are having. You are talking about P, A, and B, and we have an included angle being 42 degrees. Yes, we were given this side as that meters. So which other side do we have, Lerato?
AP.
What is AP?
It's 19,55.
So that means I wrote it in the... Yes, no, I wrote it incorrectly. It shouldn't be there, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So it has to be there where it is 19,55 meters, 100%, 19,55 meters, and not there. Just be careful of that, ladies and gentlemen, because otherwise, if it was me in exam, I was only going to notice when I answer this question, because I was about to say the first thing that we need to do is to find that side. So that means I was still going to perform the same calculation. But one thing for sure, on your script, it was going to be right. It's only that it's represented incorrectly on the diagram. Be careful of that, ladies and gentlemen. So just make sure that this type of mistakes are only being made by myself or otherwise us in class and not in exam. And also, very, very much important that you notice those mistakes. Okay, so what Lerato is saying over there is that the cosine rule says this opposite side that you are looking for, which is opposite to the angle. So let's just call it maybe a small letter p. Small letter p squared, which is that side, is actually equals to this side, which can be small letter b squared plus the other side, which can be called what? A squared minus 2, then it's going to be AB multiplied by cos of the included angle. So let me not substitute and let it to you to take it from here and tell me what will be the final answer. I'll just compare from what all of you guys will be getting. Are you guys still there or ngisale ngiyedwa lapho? Am I alone? Baleka.
Performing the calculation.
Oh, you're still calculating. Okay. Okay. It's fine. Let me give you this time to just calculate. In the meantime, I'll just be singing. I'm just not so. I'm not sure of what song to sing today. But okay. Lona barata upila mutla yebu.
The final answer is 15,40.
15,40.
Yes.
What? Meters?
Mm.
Hey, this one I don't trust. Doomza. 14, 15, yeah. Okay, another war. Mohla biwa Jesu. Hopu la je. Okay, Doomza, since you are done, can you not join me with a first part there? Do you know this song? Mohla biwa Jesu. Hopola Jesu ya
I'm
sila.
getting
What are you
4
getting there?
0 if rounded off to 2 decimal places.
What are you getting there, Lerato?
I'm getting 15,40 if
Hey,
rounded off to 2 decimal places.
hey. The Matumzin, I'm starting to trust you these days. It seems like maybe let's wait for the last one to confirm. Jonathan, Hamisa, what are you getting there? Are you still fighting the calculator there? Talasco.
Yeah.
Okay, don't create potholes on the calculator there, Hamisa. Don't fight it. Ne. Ebeke.
15.40 meters.
Tabile got that. Let's see. Shreyas, are you sure you're still there, honorable member? Are you not watching Gomorrah there?
I'm still here.
What are you getting there? Still punching. The Maemis, can you confirm that, honorable member? Hmm? Okay, let's see. What will B be? Hey, listen to this. What will B be? What will B be? Okay, so B is 19.55 squared plus A is 22.65 squared minus 2. A is 19.55 close, 22.65, and then you multiply by cos of angle being 42 degrees. So you just punch all of this on a calculator. Then you're going to get a value, of which that value you need to say square root of that value, because this is actually p squared, and you're just looking for p. And then to remove that squared, you need to introduce a squared. Whatever that you do on the left, you also do on the right. So you just say a square root of an answer, and then you get what is it? Your p value over there. I'm not sure. Let's see. Last one to confirm if this is the answer that all of you guys are getting as we close our lesson for today. Talesco. Tulisile. Are you also getting the same answer?
Yo, mini calculator beta. Mina ngithola 15,42, 43 I mean. I don't
15,
know, I think maybe
no,
yes.
you're almost there. You're almost there. It could be that you rounded off that, whereas with the other guys they'll just say square root of, then they click answer on the calculator and they get that. But it seems like you're almost there. So which means we are heading in the same directions, guys. I'm just not sure if there's anyone who's got a question, or otherwise, do you allow me to sign out in case if you guys are able to confirm that you are happy?
I'm happy. I'm more than happy.
Seems like we haven't got anyone who's got a question or otherwise unsure of something. So, ladies and gentlemen, I do thank you very much for joining. My name is Desmond, and I'm out.
Thank you, sir.